A flawless finish doesn't start with paint, it starts here. Every door is sanded by hand to smooth out rough grain, remove tool marks, and level out imperfections. This step is all about precision. We work every surface, every edge, every detail, because once the paint goes on, every flaw will show. Sanding gives the paint something to grip. It helps prevent peeling, reduces brush marks, and gives that clean, professional look you notice right away. It's slow, it's dusty, but it matters. Prep is the difference between a job that looks good and one that is good.